So welcome back, friends. You guys are trading in the stock markets, you guys are trading in the futures market, you guys are trading in the currency market, or you guys are trading on the MCX exchange. That means you are trading on the commodities market. But now guys, there are other opportunities of earning money, there are other exchanges. So in this video, I'll discuss about new openings on how you can earn money by trading in the cryptocurrencies. Now guys, why I have not discussed this cryptocurrency trading with you previously? This is because previously cryptocurrency trading in India was illegal, and few months back the government has come up with a circular that nowadays the cryptocurrency trading in India is not illegal. So guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make extra money, and really extra money, because Bitcoin trading in the cryptocurrencies is really a profitable business. So I'll show you how you can also start trading in the cryptocurrencies, what are the pros and what are the cons, and I'll show you how to start trading in the Bitcoin in India. So guys, let me take you to a money control write-up where I'll show you how Bitcoin trading is nowadays legal, whether Bitcoin trading is illegal in India or not, and if it is legal, how much legal is it. So guys, let me take you over to the money control write-up. So guys, this is the write-up from Money Control, and you can see the headline is cryptocurrencies. Even if legal, invest only what you can afford to lose. That means this is once again very true in the stock market. So invest only what you can afford to lose. So never invest something that you cannot afford to lose. Never invest such money that you require every now and then. So only invest your surplus capital for some extra income, and this extra income can really be extra, because if you can learn the cryptocurrency trading well, there are chances that you can make hell lot of money. So guys, I'll just show you the main points here. You can see cryptocurrency is legal in India or not. So here, this is not an easy question to answer. To be honest, the Indian government still isn't very sure about how to deal with this new phenomena. But you can see the Supreme Court of India reversed RBI's ban of 2018. So nowadays cryptocurrency trading is not banned in India. So this is legal, you can say this is semi-legal, but the problem is that cryptocurrency trading is not regulated. So that is the thing. You can see here it is written that cryptocurrency trading are not illegal in India but are unregulated. As you guys know that if you are trading on the stock market, you are trading with some broker. Suppose you are trading with Zerodha, you are trading with Upstocks or something like that, but these brokers are regulated. They are regulated by SEBI. But here in cryptocurrencies, there are exchanges. I'll show you what are the exchanges. But the problem is that these exchanges are not yet regulated. So you can start trading on Bitcoin, but only invest the amount that you can afford to lose, because as these exchanges are unregulated, if you lose money, if the broker simply goes away with your money, you cannot go someone and you can make a complaint. So that is the problem. You can make a complaint against a stockbroker with SEBI, but here all the exchanges are unregulated and you cannot make a complaint. So that is the issue. But still, you can start trading on Bitcoin. And why we'll start trading in Bitcoin, I'll show you that. Now guys, let me show you the Bitcoin price now. So Bitcoin is the most traded cryptocurrency all over the world. So that's why I'll just tell you about how to start trading in Bitcoin. And you can see guys, the price of one Bitcoin equals to 32,76,112.70 Indian rupee. So that is huge. So guys, you can understand that Bitcoin is highly priced, but historically it was not highly priced. So let me show you the maximum chart of Bitcoin. You can see on 2015, Bitcoin was even below rupees 25,000 in India. On 27th November 2015, it was quoting at 23,899 rupees, and now it is 32,76,112.70 rupees. So you can understand the power at which the Bitcoin has multiplied. So you can see the chart, the Bitcoin is rising, and this is the new era where you can start investing in the cryptocurrencies. It is not yet still late. So now Bitcoin is from 25,000 rupees, it is more than 32 lakhs, but still it is not late. You can start trading on Bitcoin and you can make hell lot of money. So now how will you start trading in the Bitcoins? So for that, I have written a blog post on my website stockmaniacs.net. You can see which are the best Bitcoin exchanges in India. So this is the title of the blog post, and don't worry, I'll give you the link of this blog post on this video description. So from there you can check how you can start trading on Bitcoin. Simply you need to open account with a Bitcoin exchange. As in the stock market you need to open an account, here also you need to open an account. So here you can see I have given some fact on Bitcoin trading. We have given frequently asked questions. Then we have given the definition of the Bitcoin exchanges and some famous Bitcoin exchanges in India. And we have actually jotted down 4 exchanges. Number 1 is wazirex.in. If you are seeing the cricket on Sony Live, you have seen the advertisement of wazirex. So wazirex.in is the number 1 Bitcoin exchange. Then we have given other exchanges also. So here you can see there is the link to visit the wazirex.in, and I'll also give you these links in the video description. So from there also you can go to these exchanges, you can open an account and you can start trading in Bitcoin. So after wazirex there are CoinDCX. So you can once again read about CoinDCX over here. So we have given some pros and cons. There is the link to go to CoinDCX. So from here you can go to CoinDCX and you can open an account. Then there is BitBNS. We have given details about BitBNS. We have given the link to go to BitBNS. So then there is Coinbase. So I have written about Coinbase, and also I have given the link to go to Coinbase. So these 4 exchanges, all these 4 exchanges are good, but my suggestion is that if you want to open an account really to start trading in Bitcoin, you can start trading with wazirex. And don't worry, I'll give you link to all the Bitcoin exchanges in this video description. So from there you can go to these exchanges, you can open an account and you can start trading in Bitcoin. And guys, most of these exchanges are giving free Bitcoin with account opening. So here this is wazirex. Now I'll show you how to log in there. I'll not show you the demo of wazirex, rather I'll show you how to log in there. First you need to sign up. As I have already signed up, I'll just simply click on the login option, and here my email and password is there, and I'll click on login. So it will actually send an OTP to my mobile. Let me check the OTP, whether the OTP has come or not. Let me check the OTP. I have got an OTP 341529. So I have given the OTP. I am clicking on authenticate, and you can see I am logged in to wazirex.in. You can see here are the chart of BTC INR. This is 1 hour chart. Let me make it 1 week. Let me once again show you the power of Bitcoin. So guys, you can see how the Bitcoin has increased in price. So you can see Bitcoin was trading at around 6 lakhs rupees. Now it is trading at 35 lakhs. So this is the power of Bitcoin trading. So you can see it went up more than above 50 lakhs. So now it has corrected. It is now quoting around 35 lakhs. Still, there are chances that you can make money by investing on Bitcoin. You can trade in Bitcoin. And why I am suggesting using wazirex? Because wazirex, the charts are very good. They are giving trading view charts, and you can actually trade just like you are trading on the stock market, like Zerodha, Upstocks, you are trading with the stock brokers. Similarly, you can start trading on Bitcoin. You can invest in Bitcoin, but one thing you need to make sure that you know the rule that these brokers are unregulated. So that is the risk associated with Bitcoin trading. So guys, later in a next video, I'll give you more demo about the wazirex exchange. Now in this video, I have just shown you how to start trading on Bitcoin, and I have given you name of 4 Bitcoin exchanges where you can open account. So guys, if you have liked this video, just give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget to share this video with your friends and relatives. And you can open account with all these exchanges. Account opening is free. You just need to fund your account after you open account, and most of the exchanges are giving free Bitcoin with account opening. Now guys, I'll give you the link of this account opening with all the exchanges in the video description. So from there you can go there and you can open account with them. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed to me in YouTube, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon, because I do come up with this kind of videos every week, at least once or twice. So if you are subscribed to me, if you are subscribed to my alerts, so you will get next video notifications immediately. So guys, you need to wait for my next video. Till then, happy trading in Bitcoin. Open an account with Bitcoin exchanges, start trading, start earning money. I wish you loads of luck until I come up with the new video. Bye bye.